Reggae singer Tarus Riley's brother, Kush Riley, passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Kush Riley, brother of reggae singer Tarus Riley, died this week at age 38 years old, the artist has announced on his social media network. Both brothers are children of reggae legend Jimmy Riley, who died in 2016 at the age of 61 years old. Rest Ryan, only John knows, wrote the singer, adding that my little brother Ryan, that many of you know and love around the world, he has made his transition and is no longer here with us, in flesh and in blood, days without sleep and nights without rest, trying to make sense of it, the entertainer wrote. Kush Riley was also a singer without the success of his brother, and is known for songs like Heart of Africa, News, and his latest singles Radio Y, Outside We Day. Both was released in 2023. Several reggae and dancehall entertainers reacted to the news, such as Popcorn, Conscience, Chiching Ching, Bounty Killer, Romain Virgo, Grams Morgan, and Statius, among many others. The cause of his passing was not known up to the publication of this report. However, we here at Links 007 TV want to take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the Riley family. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.